Dry So Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Pilgrim Hello Kitty to celebrate Thanksgiving. So let's get started. To draw this cute Hello Kitty, let's first start by drawing her eyes. So I'm going to come right here and start with a big oval. Come down and go around and connect. Then I'm going to come right across, nice and wide. Let's say about right here. And we're going to draw another oval. There. So now with my two ovals in, I'm going to come back right here on the top and draw a circle for a highlight and shade everything else in. I just want to add some sparkle to her eye, but of course if you don't want that, you can go ahead and shade it all in black. And same thing over here. Now that I have the two eyes in, let's go ahead in the center, we're going to draw the nose. So let's say about right here, I'm going to go ahead and just draw this little oval for her nose, right in the center. Then from there, let's go ahead, we need to frame her face. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye, come out nice and wide. So let's say about right here, I'll just give myself a point. Same thing on this side, about right here. Then I'm going to go ahead and draw this dumpling shape. So I'm going to go around the eye. Just draw a soft curve around the eye. And then just kind of imagine how low you want to bring it. So let's say about right there. I'm going to come to the center and say about right here. I'll just give myself a point. Just a little point. So I kind of know where I'm going. So from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down. So it just helps me draw with these points because I'm drawing pretty big. But if you're drawing small, you might not need those points. So right here, go ahead and draw the same thing like the other side. We're just framing this face with this wide bottom of a U. There. So got the bottom, and then we're going to go up. So like a dumpling shape, we're going to make it narrower at the top. Just imagine you're drawing this little mochi dumpling. So we're going to go up. So about right there, I'll stop towards the center. From there, I'm going to come up and I need to draw her bow. So what I found to make it easiest is if you're using a pencil, definitely finish this head curve right here. But because I can't erase, I'm going to go up top of this eye, right at the top, about right here. Imagine there's a curve right here. And I'm going to just go ahead and pop in a circle right here for her bow. This part's always pretty tricky, but I found like the bow is kind of right over the eye, so the center. So from there, we're going to go ahead and pop in the loops of our bow. So nice big loop, and same thing here. There, so I got the bow in, and so whatever space you have left, just finish the face, and same thing here. There. Then let's come back over here where the eye is, and we're going to draw 3 whiskers. So 1, 2, so draw one here, a little bit below, and then a straighter one right there. So same thing over here. And kind of towards the bottom and in the center. There. Okay, so then from there, let's come back and I need to finish this bow. I almost forgot, and just draw a little loop right here in the center. Then let's see, then we need to draw her bonnet. So I'm going to come back to the bottom right here. Say about right here, it's easier for my hand. I'm just going to draw a curve coming down, going this way. And then I'm going to give this little corner and start to go up. So I'm going to go all the way around to create this bonnet that she's wearing. So same thing on the other side. So at the bottom right about here. Just so we know where we're going. About the same as the other side. And one once again, we're going to go up. There, so now let's bring this all the way around. So I guess depending on where your bow is, you might go over the bow or have the bow overlap. So mine is just going to be able to just try to go over our bow and connect. There, so now I don't have to get too messy with the bow. Then from there, let's draw the tips of her ears. So about right here, kind of like where the head is, about right here. Just gonna pop in a little tip, round off the tip, and then bring it down. So then the other ear be about the same on the other side, about right there. Just a tip. Round it off and bring it down. There. And then we need to add another layer. So let's come back up here and we're going to go up towards the center and come right down. To finish off the bonnet. There, so now we have Pilgrim Hello Kitty, right? Then from there, let's draw her cute little outfit. So let's find the center, about right there, and I'm going to draw a small circle for her bow. Right in the center. Then we're going to draw the loops for this little bow. And same thing here. And I'm going to come inside and draw the centers for our bow. And then we need to draw the hood. So let's see here. I'm going to come back to this bow. Well, actually, no, it's easier over here. Let's come about right here. We're going to draw a curve coming down. So same thing here. Curve coming down. Then we can go ahead right here in the circle area. About right there, draw an angle. And same thing here. And we're just going to go ahead and connect. So about right there, connect. And same thing here. And then from there, let's go ahead and draw her dress. So let's come back about right here. And here, same thing. And we're going to bring down her dress to about right there. Right there, and then connect it with a curve. Almost done. So then one more layer for her apron. We're going to come right here and just follow the outside and connect once again with a curve. From there, let's draw her feet. So let's find the center. Come down to about right there. And using this as my guide, I'm going to go down and just draw two big curves for her feet. So same thing here. There, nice and simple, right? And then for her hands, let's come right here, just imagining her hands curving down. So say about right here. And then this little part that pops out for her thumb, and then the rest of it is just a big curve. So same thing here. Come down, pop it out, and then a big curve. Bring it in. There. And then I'm going to add a little heart right here in the center to make her my Draw So Cute Pilgrim Hello Kitty. There. And then before I go, I thought it'd be really cute just to make it more celebratory for Thanksgiving. I thought it'd be cute to draw a little basket. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to start about right here. I'm just going to draw a little line across. Very simple basket. I'm just going to round it off and connect. Then come in a little bit, and I'm just going to bring it all the way down to the level of her foot. About right there. And same thing here. Curve. And connect. There. And for some details, I'll come right here Draw a curve on both sides just to give it some detail. And let's add a big heart right in the center. There. And then we need to draw the handle of our basket. So I'm going to come right back up here and just draw a big curve all the way across to the other side, and then thicken it up. There. So now we can fill this basket with whatever we like. So because it's Thanksgiving, we need to draw an apple, of course. So come right here and just wobble and come down. Give it a little stem and a leaf for our apple. And then we can draw like maybe a little pumpkin. So say right here, and then just kind of curve in and down. And then we're just going to draw this little stem. And then 2 curves. And then when you color it orange, we know it's going to be a pumpkin, right? And then let's see here, we can always just add some details right here. Maybe some lines here. And that is pretty much it for this drawing of Pilgrim Hello Kitty to celebrate Thanksgiving. I really hope you loved it and that I helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Drawstic videos. See you later.